Channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rosemary hair rings that will help to strengthen and grow your hair. So stay tuned. So for this remedy, I'll be showing you how to make use of rosemary. I'll be using fresh rosemary. You can decide to use the dried rosemary. So I'm going to wash the rosemary leaves to avoid contaminating the tea. Rosemary has a lot of health benefits. It has antifungal properties. It will help to soothe the scalp, heal scalp wounds, and prevent premature aging. It also helps to improve blood flow to the scalp and reduce shedding. And I'll be using is clove seed. Clove seed will help to promote hair growth, strengthen the hair, reduce hair fall, and improve circulation. So I'm going to add half teaspoon of clove seed. To the pot, I've already added the rosemary leaves. I will add the clove seed. I'm going to add enough water. Like 2 cups of water. Then I'll allow to boil for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I'll remove from the heat and allow to cool. When the liquid has cooled down, I'm going to strain to get the liquid. And decide to use any spray bottle of your choice for easy application. Apply this on a clean washed hair. I'll make sure that it touches my scalp, my hair strands. Then I'm going to massage properly. You can cover and leave it to sit for about 2 hours or more. Then you can rinse out with just water. Hair rinse is a combination of 2 wonderful spices that will help to stop hair fall and reduce shedding, flow to the scalp, and also prevent shedding. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.